Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney girl, and it is unboxing time. I just got back from a Disney trip, so there will be some videos posted of rides and character cavalcades. I almost got tongue tied. So that stuff is going to be put on my page shortly. But Boxy Charm is here. So let's take a look. It's a little smaller, so this is the standard size. So this is going to be October's Boxy Charm. And the theme is Spellbound, which is perfect. It's October, Halloween. So let's get into it and see what we've got going on. All right. So first things first, Kamara Antique Beauty. We have some lashes. So according to this, this is the most natural lash in the collection and is perfect for the woman who wants to keep it real with her beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. So, and this is actually brand new to Boxy. So here are the lashes. I'm not a lash person. Like what I actually have, those are my natural lashes with obviously mascara. But I've never been a lash person, so I might use this as an opportunity to play with them. Not 100% sure, but it'd be cool to try those out. And then we have a Peel Adhesive Liquid Liner. So, Appeal Cosmetics, this is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra-fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up your eye look. And that's L-E-W-K. Luke. Alright, so this is jet black. So that would actually be really cool if you are somebody who does lashes on the regular, and of course, you know, we do eyeliner and all that. I cannot get this open. It is taped closed really good, and I don't want to to completely demolish the box. So yeah, I can't get this open, guys. I apologize. So, I mean, honestly, because it's adhesive, I'm not going to test it or anything because I'm not putting lashes on. So, but that is the other thing we got in the box. So, let's see. Next, we have Tint. There we go. This is the Lash and Brow Duo. Sounds really cool. I feel like we're all about the eyes this month. Really cool. So this is Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. This duo solves the endless search for mascara and brow gel in the abyss of your makeup bag. It combines two products in one. The mascara is created with a smooth, oil-rich formula with strong color payoff. Leaves lashes longer, naturally fuller looking, and thicker without clump. The brow gel is fine and creamy with enough color to achieve natural hair-like strokes of color for fuller, well-defined brows. So this is it. And I do like, so you've got obviously the mascara is the black. We've got like a little brown here for the brow. So this is, and it's little fine bristles. I already have some on mascara, not of this kind, but kind of hard to do it in the camera. All right. And then we've got the brow, which okay, I definitely have to do this in the mirror, guys. But that's actually not bad. I mean, obviously, like, it would be better if I was in the mirror, just so you know, like, that's the color. So it is kind of like a brown, which I know it can't always tell, but I actually do have brown hair. So, all right. And, oh, just, like, I definitely, like, I feel it on my brows, which now that it's drying, it's wearing away, which I like. Like, I use, like, usually, like, a clear brow gel, just to make sure it matches, but this doesn't look bad. So let's see what else we got. Oh, we've got a palette. Woo. All right, Ace Beauty Falling For You. Oh, that's really pretty with the leaves. The Falling For You palette represents some of your most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So we do have a little mirror. And here are the colors. So very, very fall. So we've got apple, pine cone, which the pine cone looks a little plum. Chestnut is purple. That one right there is cherry pie, which is cute. Pumpkin pie is a pink, like, that's pumpkin pie, guys. So the names, I'm a little, like, this purple right here is cranberry. Like, I don't know how I feel about the names. Like, I feel like a cranberry, like, I want it cranberry color. Like, but it's a palette. I will definitely try it out. And we've got one last thing. We have Tarte C, which I love stuff from Tarte. Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Ooh. So here we go. So, like an espresso shot for under your eyes, a vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a fresh, youthful look. The weightless water-based formula gives a lifted effect and is clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and creates a crease-resistant base. That's really cool because I know, like, especially if I don't get enough sleep, like, I do have the creases under my eyes. So this is actually really cool. I'm excited to try this. And I just want to get a smell. If it will come open. There we go. Okay, so not much of a smell, which again, not a bad, like I've said before with smell. It doesn't have to always smell. So, all right, so that is everything in the box this month. So as always, we're going to take the handy dandy calculator. All right. All right, so we got the calculator up. All right, so the Tarte Wink of H2O, which I'm trying to get a better view for you guys. Does not work. Okay, so this is $35. All right, and then we've got the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. This is $34.99. And then we've got the Lash Brow Duo by Tint, and this is $29. And actually, this is also probably very good for traveling. So, then we've got the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. This is $29, which, factoring in the fact that it's kind of like two things at once, that's really good. And finally, we've got the Lashes by Kamara Antique. I don't, probably butchering the name, but these are $25. So we're getting a total cost of $152.99 for everything in the box. And like I said, I want to say this is about $40 a month. So definitely getting our money's worth out of that. Not many. I think maybe like the tint, brow, and lash is probably my favorite thing out of this box. That and the Tarte. Everything else is more play. But that's one good thing about the Boxy Charm. It's like nice to just play with new products. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you've liked and subscribed. As always, stay tuned for more unboxing. Any subscription boxes that I get, I'm going to unbox so you guys can see them. And if you guys got the Boxy Charm for October, did you guys get the same stuff? What was your favorite thing? Did you get something different? Let me know. All right, guys. As always, have a magical day. Hakuna Matata.